On this episode of Trekking Beyond, we continue to explore one of the most underrated neighborhoods in Tokyo, called Nakano. Only a few train stops from Shinjuku, Nakano offers so much to do, and you can definitely spend most of your day there. We will take a look at the Nakano Broadway Mall, the surrounding areas and side streets filled with izakayas, restaurants, and bars. The mall is one of the most popular spots in the area. This manga and anime lover's heaven is filled with collectibles, souvenir shops, and restaurants. Alright, so we're just at pretty much the entrance to the Nakano Broadway Mall. We're gonna go check it out here. It's like a mall shopping strip.
They got us some treats.
Some baked goods. What did you get? Oh, that's it's filled with some kind of chocolate, right, or something?
I don't know, is it?
I don't know.
And then I just got a croissant.
A croissant? Thanks, babe.
So you take one of those?
Yeah?
One of those, and then you just go around and put on what you want.
Oh, nice.
Look at the breads. That's why we got the little teddy bear in the corner. Like, look. Looks so good.
Wow.
That looks good.
Oh, that looks really good.
Oh, yeah, it does. You put it on there and I take a picture.
Oh, like it takes it from the top?
Yeah.
Like the photo? Wow, it smells good in here. Just a bakery before the Broadway Mall entrance there. All right. Well, that was good. Thank you. Just at the Broadway Mall entrance. Most of the mall is devoted to Japanese pop culture and is considered a mini Akihabara, minus the flashy lights. This multi-story shopping mall's first floor includes local grocery stores and everyday items, but as soon as you start going up, you'll notice the anime and video game memorabilia. Here, you will find more obscure anime compared to Akihabara, which has the more popular ones. If you want to escape Akihabara's busy streets, and you are a fan of video games, anime, and manga, you will definitely enjoy this calmer version of Akihabara. Nakano has more of an old school vibe with a laid-back feeling. While you're there, don't miss out on some of the izakayas. In this local and residential area, you will find so much to explore with something for everyone. While you're here, don't forget to order yourself the famous 8-flavor tower of ice cream in Nakano Broadway Mall's basement. With so many flavors and so much ice cream, it will be a hard task to complete. Nakano has some of the best ramen shops, which are known to be some of the best in the city, and highly recommended. You can find them around station exits as well as restaurant and bar strips. I would definitely recommend to put Nakano on your list of places to see while staying in Tokyo. Can you explain what you're doing?
So we found a photo booth for all women in their early 20s. Me. So I'm gonna go in it.
And you're gonna pose in there and do some kind of photos?
Yeah.
Okay, I guess I'll wait for you outside.
No. Go walk around and I'll find you.
So how much does it cost? Like
$4. It's 400 yen.
okay, we'll see the results after, right? Okay. Have fun in there, babe. Bye. While she's doing that video photo shoot in there, I'm gonna just kind of walk around and see what I can do by myself for a little bit. It's a pretty interesting mall here, the Broadway Mall. So you can find all kinds of stuff like this little arcade thing here, and a lot of cafes and restaurants, and just all kind of like shopping here. Apparently, like it goes on for a while here, so we'll kind of just explore more and see what it has to offer. Babe, what did you do? That's your photo shoot?
Oh.
Let's see the other ones.
I'm just gonna finish it.
So this is the photo shoot result. Wow. Look at that. Look at your eyes in that. Oh, I like the bottom one there. I'm gonna try to go for the Pikachu keychain. If not, then I don't know. Wish me luck. Here we go. No way.
Did you get it? No.
I got Pikachu.
Really?
No, I didn't. No.
No.
I got this stupid little one.
That's cute though.
No, what is that? Great. Oh, Eileen's gonna try.
Oh, come on, try. Number 2.
For Pikachu. Okay, let's see if we get it. Oh, we're gonna try this bottom one here?
Yeah. Ready? Nope.
No, what'd you get?
I don't know. It's green. Oh, cute. It's him.
Oh, really?
I like him.
I don't even know his name though.
Me neither.
It must be like a newer Pokemon.
No.
No.
It's not.
Probably.
No, it's not.
How do you know?
Because I used to play Pokemon all the time.
Oh, so what's its name?
I don't know, but it's not new.
Okay.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on my Canada bag.
Oh, no way. Really?
So I'll put it right here.
Nice. Got the different Kit Kats here. All the flavors. There's like a custard pudding, party ice cream, strawberry. It's like an almonds one. Flavors I've never seen before. What'd you find?
I really want to have these. They're high chews, yeah. Really good.
Wow, look at all these candies.
It's really good too.
We're at this 8-layered ice cream place.
We're gonna get all these flavors, which is soda pop, lemonade, green tea, grape, sweet potato, coffee, milk, strawberry, chocolate, and vanilla.
And we're gonna try to eat it all, even though we're
are
full.
going to eat it all.
It's famous here in Nakano, this 8-layered ice cream. Now she's topping it off. Oh my gosh, that's so much ice cream.
Thank you.
Babe, it's just big as your face. Yeah, so this is just outside of the Broadway Mall. You wanna go check out that way?
Yeah.
Kind of like the alley side streets. Whoa, look at all this yummy food.
Oh, look at those chicken thighs.
I know, right? Oh, it smells so good here. Look at all this food here.
That's yummy.
If I wasn't so full, I'd totally go in here right now. It's like everywhere you go, it smells so delicious. Just beside Broadway Mall, where all the eateries and bars are, little like izakayas and old school small bars. They're all closed now, but we're gonna come back maybe later and check them out.
I laughed because the guy made the floor wet and I almost slipped on it.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, right when you started.